What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. Today's video, I got a 2013 Civic Si. I'm going to replace the suspension. We're going to do the one-piece adjustable coilover. This is the front one. That's the rear one. Looks pretty cool. Alright, right now this the factory shock is a skunk to spring. Hey, are you sure about this?
I mean, yeah, it's gonna be stupid low, but I want to see how far I can dump it. If anything, we can raise it back up, but I'm trying to see how low I can dump it.
Because the shock is already attached to the car. So you see that big gap over there?
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see it. But the shock don't even reach the control arm. It's adjustable, but my guy wants it all the way down, the lowest possible.
Slam.
That's crazy.
See, it's not that low.
It's not that bad.
I think we'll be able to do them all dumped. Because before it was the stock strut with a lowering spring, so it got all squished up anyway.
Let's see how it looks doing the other side too. It may lower a little bit more. Oh yeah, it's really low, man.
Slammed.
Look at that stuff. There's no gap. That's how you want it?
Yeah. A little bit of a tuck.
Alright guys, that's we got the rear done. That's how it sits. It's adjusted all the way down. I don't know how this guy gonna drive it, but it's super slim. That's how they look. You see the adjustment is all the way down. Crazy. Alright guys, we got this side all done. We finally lowered it. The first time this floor jack was stuck underneath the car, we finally got it out with the factory floor jack, and now the factory one is stuck, won't come out. Check this out, super slam. And this guy wanna drive this car like that.
Like a week. I don't know. We can raise it up in like a week, but low life.
So I don't have any idea how I'm gonna bring this out. No.
It won't twist anymore.
Right.
Here's try number what, 3?
Number 3.
Hey, it comes out. All right, that's the height.
We gotta do the other side, see how it goes.
Yep. Kind of
It's pretty low though.
kind of broke this one.
Destroyed
Destroyed
the factory
this shit.
jack. That's the first sign, bro.
Low life.
Go ahead. And
Oh yeah.
yeah, drive it a little bit. So how it rides?
The ride's great. Like, I had the stock struts and shocks with just the lowering springs on it. Really bouncy ride, kind of sucked. These new truhart Street Pluses increased the ride quality. Did not think it was gonna get comfier. Thought it was gonna be really stiff. It's planted as hell, but it doesn't hurt your back. You don't feel every little bump. I would highly recommend them. Like, highly recommend them. Great product, great price. truhart.
Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap. That's everything for today. Stay tuned for more videos.